Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Exponent and Power. First point is Introduction to Powers. Suppose we are writing A into A into A and so on. So we can write this number A power of n. So here n is called the component or power and A is the base. Second point is square of a number. Number, suppose we are taking x, it means square we can write x power 2. Third point is cube of a number. It means we can write, suppose we are taking number x, so we can write x power 3 or we can tell कि x power cube. If power is in minus, so we can write that power 1 upon x power n, or we can write reciprocal of given component. Next is to find the value of a upon b power n and its reciprocal. So if we are taking number a upon b power n, so we have to take out the value of a and b both. We will write a power n upon b power n. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Chapter 5, Component and Powers. Exercise number 5.1. First question is multiple choice question. And first part is the exponential form of minus 64 upon 125 is. Here 4 options are given. 4 upon 5 power 3. 4 power 3 upon 5 power 3. C option is minus 4 upon 5 power 3 and D option is 8 square upon 5 power 3. So first we have to solve this question. Number is given minus 64 upon 125. We will take out factors. 64 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. Same we will take out 125. 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5. Here 1 2 3 number is repeating 3 times. So we have to take both the numbers. First we have to compare which power is coming less. So we will write here 5, 3 times is here 1 2 3. So 5 power 3. We have to convert this number in 3 sets. First set is 1, 2 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Now we will write here 4 into 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5. We have to convert these numbers in same power or exponent. And here minus is given, so we will write here minus, minus and minus. Now we can write minus 4 upon 5 is repeating 3 times, so we will write here power 3. And answer is correct, C minus 4 upon 5 power 3. Now second question is the product of the square of 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 7 is. 4 options are given. First we will write here square of 2 upon 3. Square means power 2 into 1 upon 7 square. So first we will write here 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9 into 1 1 ja 1 and 7 7 ja 49. 4 1 ja 4 and 9 multiply by 49. 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 9 4s are 36 and 8, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So we will write here 44, 441. So 4 upon 441, right answer is D. The part is the value of x in 3 power x is equal to 81 is. Now we have to find out value of x. So first we have to convert this number as a base 3 and then we can find out power of x. So value of x we will write like this, 81. We can start from 3, 3 2 ja 6, remaining 2, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So we can write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is repeating 4 times. So we can write here 3 power 4 and option is correct, 4. D option is correct. Question number 2. Write the base and the component in each of the following. First part is minus 3 upon 7 power 5. So here we can write base. Base is the given number. So we can write here base is equal to minus 3 upon 7 and exponent is equal to, exponent means power we have to write here, power is 5. Suppose question is given minus 1 power 36. So we can write here base is equal to minus 1 and exponent is equal to 36. Now question number 3. Express each of the following in the exponential form. And first one is given 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. This number is repeating again and again. So we will write here this number in exponential form. We have to write base single time. Now exponent power 1, 2, 3, 4. It is repeating 4 times. So we will write here 4. Now question number 4. Express each of the following as a rational number. And first one is 4 upon 3 power 2. So we can write here 4 upon 3 power is given 2 times. It means this number is repeating 2 times into 4 upon 3. Now 4 4 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9. Thank you.